Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a Beyblade Burst Surge Speedstorm unboxing. Yes, I got this guy recently, actually a few days ago. As I'm recording this, it's Jupiter J6, another good one for competitive, and then Eva Evolution Helios. Blaze Burger or whatever it's called. Another decently good one. Hopefully it's not as bad as the Hyperion one without the gimmick. It's probably not, since it's one of my favorites. Okay. And look, got no needle. No needle. Okay. Ooh, and I found something. So, a few videos ago, I said I was going to show you guys this, and it fell off. But I found it. It's the same day as those other ones, but yeah, this is a 2003 kit of a Zaku 2. And I did panel lining on it, and it's pretty good. But yeah, I panel lined it and everything like that. Pretty good for a very old kit. When I was 2003, oh geez. Around 7, 8 years old when this came out, but yeah. Besides that, let's get into the rest of it. I just want to show you that since I found it when I was dropped the needle driver. Oh. And of course, no gimmick to it, and it's bland as hell. But yeah, stay tuned for videos on these guys. Another one of these, and the driver. Oh, it actually spins. Not like the other one. Yay. Can this be taken off? Yes. Oh, it's not metal, but it can be taken off and switched off. Good. That's cool. Here's that green and grayish color. Here's the QR code for this. Here's the disc. And needle high needle. There's this one, and let's see, QR code. Sadly, it's not metal. The metal piece, I forgot the name. Pretty good. And this is actually a metal version of Zone. Oh yeah, that's tight as always. Very tight. Hopefully this one's tight. Oh, it's okay. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.